hope you're all okay. Right, I'm just making some more of these foam embellishments that I showed you the other day. And I thought I'd come on and show you the ones that I continued to make after I'd finished filming. I hope you can see alright. I really love these. I think they're so pretty. So I did all those. Out of room, and I did those as well, little hands. I'll leave the link to the video where I showed you how to do them, but basically you just get your heat gun, melt foam, well, heat the foam, well, not melt it, heat the foam up and then press like a stamp or something in it to get the pattern. So that's those, and then just quickly, you've already seen these, but those, for anybody that hasn't seen, those are the other ones that I did. And then, this is what I'm coming on to show you really. I'd got all bits of scraps left, all these bits, and I was going to throw them out. I'd started putting them in the bin and I thought, I don't know, they're quite big pieces, those. We could do something with those. So I just got a piece of cereal box and glued them all down just with some matte Mod Podge. I did put quite a lot on. I kept pressing them down and I put the Mod Podge all on the top as well, and then I just gave it a coat of black gesso. I've absolutely no idea where I'm going with this, no idea whatsoever. I gave it a coat of black gesso because the bits of foam were black and purple, and I thought, oh, that'll be, don't know, just thought it would be easier than white, and I don't use my black gesso that often. And then I thought, what we're going to do now, so I've got these. I'll show you the for anybody that's not heard of these, Lumiere, Jacquard Lumiere. I don't think you can buy them in the shops over here, but these are from Amazon. I put them on my wish list and Mr. Doodle got me them for my birthday, but they're beautiful. If you've not used them, they're definitely worth trying because they're absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to get some more colours. I've got the Halo Blue Gold, Halo Violet Gold and Pearlescent Magenta, and I just really, really love them. So I've just, as you can see, dabbed the paints over. They're just gorgeous. The only thing is, this one, the blue, what is it? Halo Blue Gold, in my eyes, that's green. But it does show up blue in parts, but I don't mind anyway because I think it's gorgeous. And what I've got left on my brush, I'll be able to find it now. Oh, that one. I just spread it all on this. Look, that's, well, it's blue that way. As I'm looking at it, it's blue when I look there, but when I tip it up, it's gold. They are just so gorgeous paints. I just made this little book up from a TV magazine, folded the pages in half and I just sewed it down the middle. Oh no, glued some pages together. I can't remember, I did it last year. Glued them together and yeah, folded the whole magazine in half and then glued each bit together, something like that. I don't know. So that's just where I put a lot of my leftover paints. That one's lovely. Anyway, so that's what I did with that. But yeah, if anybody's got any ideas what I should do with this, Miss Clegg, she said I could just hang it and have it as a piece of abstract art. I'd thought about putting some, before I'd painted it, and then I forgot, some little, not seed beads, they're micro beads, are they called? Like the nail art beads. I thought I was going to sprinkle some of that on if I've got some, but I don't know. I don't think I will now. But It's just so pretty, and I'm so pleased I've done it because we waste so much stuff. Well, we try not to do. As you can see, there's some quite big bits. I suppose I could have found some smaller letters to make some more little embellishments. Anyway, I'm talking twaddle, but yeah, I'm going to take all these bits downstairs now in the warm. I've got a nice coal fire and cut those out downstairs because my hands are blooming freezing. Right, thanks for watching everyone. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.